Welcome to a sunny kitchen where we'll learn about healthy vegetables. Look, there are so many colorful veggies on the table. Mommy is here to help us learn about these yummy veggies.
What is this red, round thing? What are they?
This is a tomato. It's red, round, and very good for our body.
Wow! It feels smooth and cool.
Before we cook, we need to wash our veggies. Washing makes the tomato clean and ready to eat.
Can I wash it?
Great job. You're learning how to take care of your food.
What's this orange veggie?
This is a carrot. It's orange and helps keep our eyes strong.
I want to eat carrots every day. What's this brown veggie?
This is a potato. It's brown and gives us lots of energy.
Potatoes are so yummy.
Now we're ready to cook something yummy.
Can we cook them now?
Cooking together is so much fun.
Thank you for learning about veggies with us today.